Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salsa de aguacate updated. Start by gathering 2 ripe avocados, 1 lime, a small bunch of cilantro, 1 small red onion, 1 jalapeno, salt, and olive oil. I'll walk you through simple prep steps, gentle mixing to keep texture, and quick tips for adjusting heat and acidity. This recipe is flexible, forgiving, and perfect for quick snacks or dinner parties when you need fresh flavor fast. Gather ingredients before you start to streamline the process and avoid overworking the avocado. Ripe avocados create the creamy base, while lime brightens and jalapeno adds lift without overpowering. Chop the onion and cilantro finely to distribute flavor evenly, and keep olive oil handy to adjust consistency. Taste and tweak with salt and extra lime as you go so the salsa hits your preferred balance of tang and richness. Prep and technique make the difference between bland mash and vibrant salsa. Work quickly once you cut the avocado to maintain color, and mash with a fork for controlled texture rather than pureeing. Fold in cilantro and onion last to preserve crunch and aroma. If you want a smoother sauce, pulse briefly in a blender but watch the texture. You can always thin with a splash of water or olive oil to reach the right consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.